In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make insane video ads completely automatically by using Claude's latest and most strongest model, Claude Fable 5. So without wasting more time, let's get into it. So here you can see I'm inside my Claude code, and here I'm using the Claude desktop application. And if you also want to use the Claude desktop application, you simply have to come to claude.com/download, and from here you can download that completely for free for your Windows, Mac, whatever you use. And after installing that, you'll see that you are getting access to Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and even to Claude Code all in one single place. And here we are using the Claude Code so that we can make the complete automation possible. So here first task is we need to add a video generation tool with this Claude Code, and which will make possible for us to make the video generation automated. So for the video generation tool or for the video generation platform, in here we are using Higgsfield. And the reason behind using Higgsfield in here, because through that we can get access to the most strongest model for video generation, and that is Cadence 2.0. And also they are the sponsors of today's video. And here our plan is not like we'll just use the Claude for prompt generation and then we'll copy that prompt and we'll paste that inside Higgsfield for video generation. Not like this. Instead, we'll make that completely automated. We don't need to worry about any prompt generation. Again, we don't need to worry about any video generation. So for that, we will just add the Higgsfield MCP with our Claude code so that Claude Fable 5 can access to the Higgsfield. So for that, just come here, MCP and CLI. And by the way, I had given this exact link in the description. And here you can connect the Higgsfield with Claude in two ways, through MCP and through CLI. Both are almost same, but I prefer you to go with the MCP. To connect the MCP, make sure you choose MCP, and here you choose Claude. And first of all, just copy this exact Higgsfield URL as like this. And after copying, just go to your Claude code, and here just go to the customize section just like this. And make sure that you just go to the connectors, and after that go to the add, and then go with add custom connector. And here give a name. In this case, the name will be Higgsfield. And in the place of remote MCP server URL, just paste the URL that you copied and then go with add. As you can see, it's checking the connection, and now it's showing me the Higgsfield has been added with Claude, and now I only have to connect that. So for that, I'll just go with connect, and here you can see it automatically trying to connect with my Higgsfield account, and make sure that you must have an Higgsfield account. So in here, it's asking me for the access. So I just go with allow. So if I just open my Claude, it's showing me that connected to Higgsfield. So after that, you don't have to go to Higgsfield. We'll do the rest of the process inside Claude code, but make sure that you have some credits inside Higgsfield, because to generate videos using Cadence 2.0 is not free. From now, I can upload any product image, and then I can say to Claude code, use this product image to make a video ad by using Higgsfield MCP, and do the prompting and the rest of the things by yourself. And based on my specification, the duration of the video, and the selection of that model, it will use those stuff and it can able to make the video. So to make the process more easy, in here I'm using a skill. So what I did, I just basically made a skill. So if I go to the customize section, and then if I go to the skill section, here you can see there's a skill that's called Cadence Ads Generator. And let me give you a quick overview how I made the skill, and I'll show exactly how this skill really work. And also I'll tell you in the mid of the video how you can make a skill like this too. So basically, when a user will upload a product image and trigger this skill will be activated, and based on this skill, Claude Code will ask three questions. Based on the product image, what kind of ad type user want? The second question will be the duration of the video ad. The third question will be the ratio of that video ad. And after getting these three answers, Claude Code will generate the prompt by itself, and then it will send that prompt and the product image to the Higgsfield through the Higgsfield MCP, and by using the Cadence 2.0, it will generate the video ad. And as soon as the video generation is done, Claude Code will just hand it the video ad to the user. And that's how this skill will really work inside Claude Code. So right now, let me show you a quick example how this thing really works. And here we'll use the most strongest and latest model of Claude, and that is Claude Fable 5. To change the model, we have to just choose the models, and then we'll choose the Claude Fable 5. And if you don't know, Claude Fable 5 was shut down for some days, and today when I'm making the video, it's just activated, but it came with a limitation. It's a sad part. So what they're saying that I can use the Claude Fable 5 50% based on my plan. If I'm a max plan user or pro plan user, whatever plan I'm using, based on that, I can use that for 50. And it will happen through July 7. And after that, it will be completely switched to uses credits to continue using that. And it's mean after July 7, whatever plan you'll use, pro plan or max plan, you can't use Claude Fable 5 inside your plan. You have to give money to Anthropic separately to use the Claude Fable 5 based on the tokens uses. And I think that's kind of like a business for Anthropic. And here nothing to do in here because at the end of the day, they are the producers and we are the consumers. If we want to use their product, we must have to go through their plans. Whatever they do, we have to accept that. If not, then simply just use other products. So whatever, in here we'll choose the Claude Fable 5 and here let's say that to make a video ad. So for that, first of all, I'll upload a product image just by going with plus and then I'll go with add files or photos. And here I want to make a video ad for this exact cold drink. I'll go with open and here I'll simply say that just make a video ad for this exact product by using the Seedance ad generator skill. So as you can see in here, that was my prompt. It is very simple. Even in here, I didn't mention that use the Higgsfield MCP or this kind of video ad you have to generate blah blah blah. No, only I said make a video ad for this product by using ad generator skill. And here make sure that you use the exact folder where this exact image is located. So here's our image and now let me go with send. And obviously in here you can use the Opus 4.8 or Sonnet 5, but the understanding power of Claude Fable 5 is far more than Opus 4.8. And as you can see, it already started to use this exact skill and now it's reading the image, and based on the understanding of image, it will ask some questions to me. It's showing me what kind of image it is, and if I just kind of like click here, I can see in details what kind of things it's working with. So one thing I noticed in here that Claude Fable 5 is a little bit slower than the other model of Claude. It's happening because it has huge capacities. For that, it's working with tons of parameters in itself, which is far more than other models. So here it's asking me, the first question is, which ad format do you want for the apple juice bottle? So let's go with a hypermotion type. And here the next question is, what aspect ratio should the video be? Let's go with a 6:9 horizontal video shape, which is perfect for like YouTube and Facebook, kind of like this thing. How long should be the ad? Let's go with a 12-second video. And how many variations should I render? So let's go with 1. So in here, variation means like how many video ads I want. The maximum I can go with like 4. So if I go with 4, it will generate like 4 videos at once. So here I don't want to waste the time. So let's go with 1. And as you can see, it already got my answers, and based on that, it will make a prompt and it will show me a quick overview of that prompt, or you can say the ad format. And if I like that, it will go with that video format. So here's the concept, and it's saying like a green apple slams into a wall of juice in slow motion, and that will be like 12 seconds long, no dialogue, pure energy, and punching in. And if I like that, I'll simply go with proceed. And if I don't, I'll simply say that not proceed. And again, if I want to tweak something, I'll simply say that change that exact thing instead of saying that. And based on that, it will just regenerate the concept again and it will show me. And if I just like that, I'll go with proceed. So in that case, let's say that I like that. And for that, I'll say something positive. Let's say go. It now searching the tool it have to use. So basically in this case, it will use the Higgsfield MCP tool that I just added. So it's asking me, do you want to go with allow? I'll go with always allow. As you can see, it already uploading the media, means it uploading this exact image to Higgsfield. Based on that, it will start to generate the video. So as you can see, it started the generation, and while it's generating, let me share with you the quick tip that how I made the skill. Basically, I said to Claude Code that I want this kind of things a skill will do for me. I say that I'll just upload a product image, and based on that, Claude will ask these questions to me. And for the video ad type, I want like UGC, tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion, product review, TV spot, wildcard, and UGC virtual try-off. And for each of the video types, I actually given some concepts. As you can see, these are the concepts basically. So this concept, the Claude Code have to follow while generating the prompts. And in here again, we're using the best model right now inside Claude Code, which is the Fable 5, and it really works insane. So after giving all the information, I also said here, whenever I will type use the Seedance ad generator skill or something like /Seedance ad generator skill, it will use that access skill and it will just use the Higgsfield MCP to start the video generation. And for the video generation inside Higgsfield, it must have to use only the Seedance 2.0. And after that, it just took 2 minutes to make the complete skill. And then I simply added that in my workplace. So I believe that you can make also a skill like this. And if you want the exact skill that I'm using in here, you can get that inside my Hello AI community, because all of my assets I only share with my private community members. So if you also want to join, you can join that. I've given the link of this community in the description. So after joining, if you go in the classroom section, you'll get access to all of my premium level lessons and ready-made templates, workflows, skills, everything you need to make your AI journey very easy. So for today's skill, you simply have to go to the skills section, and from here, as you can see, there are like bunch of skills. For now, we need the Higgsfield ad generator skill. You simply have to come here, and from here you can just download this skill. Just going with get this skill, and after downloading this skill, you simply have to go to again Claude code, and from here you have to go to the customize section and then go to the skills, and from here go with add, then go with upload a skill, and here upload the skill that you downloaded from the community. After that, you'll see that this skill has been added with your Claude. The best thing is you can get access to this skill from your Claude chat, Claude code, even from Claude Cowork. Whenever you upload a product image, and there if you simply type use the Seedance ad generator skill to make a video ad for this exact product, then instantly this skill will be activated. So now let's go back to our video ad generation. So here you can see it's done and it's ready to download. So let me show the video ad. I'll go with just resume. That's awesome. We just used Claude Fable 5 to make this complete video ad. Because in here, Seedance 2.0 only just generating the video, but the main thing is the prompt. And here something very useful you can do through Higgsfield inside the Claude code, that we can predict the virality. If I just click here and then if I go with send, now it will give us the complete virality test of this exact video ad. As you can see, it started the analyzation and it's showing me analyzing, and in front of you here you can see here's the visual context, here's the auditory context, here's the language network, here's the attention control, and here's the complete focus drift. And the complete engagement is 46 out of 100. And here if you want, you can just make that thing more better. Just say to Claude code that how you can make this thing more better, like the engagement specifically. Let's say to our Claude code, I said in here the video ad you made didn't get good virality. Make sure that it gets near to 100. Go with your maximum effort. And let me just give a screenshot of the virality result like this, so that you can understand properly what it really meant in here. So now our Fable 5 will make an another video ad. So let's see how will be the engagement rate of that video. So we just got the video based on our request. As you can see, it's in front of us. For some reason, it's showing me in very small frame. And if I just play that, you will not understand anything, guys. So let me just play that in a big frame. I'll go with download and open the link.
This isn't juice. It's an apple detonated. Cold pressed, nothing else. Fresh. Pressed, not processed.
That's cool. That's a killing ad, obviously. And here I already requested for the predict virality. And here you can see it's analyzing right now for this exact video ad. So we just got the result in front of you. Here you can see the engagement is 44. The hook score is 27. These two things is less than the previous one. Even I don't know, like this video is better than the previous one for some reasons, but it's saying me like these two rates are less than the previous one. But about the sustain, it's 100%. That's really cool. So if you want like a very good video, if you want the best video, I think you have to go with multiple generations. And what will happen, you'll get the perfect video, which engagement rate is high, the hook score is high, even the sustain is high. So yeah, that's the whole thing. I hope that you understood how you can make the perfect ad for your products and everything you can do by yourself. Right now we have Fable 5, which is the most strongest model inside Claude, and also we can use the Seedance 2.0 with that. That's the perfect match for video generations. Though this video I showed you how you can make video ads, but you can use that for any purposes. You can make movies, you can make cartoons, almost like anything. And at the last, I want to request you, if you like this video, please drop a like. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And as like always, see you in the new video, guys. Till then, peace.